You ever sit down to study, open your book, and 5 minutes later, you're on your phone watching videos about how to focus? Yeah, that's not laziness. We always tell ourselves, I just need more discipline, or I'm too lazy. But what if the real reason you can't focus has nothing to do with willpower? Because here's the truth. Your brain isn't broken. It's just overwhelmed. And once you understand why this happens, you can actually fix it. So, let's talk about it. Why you can't focus, and how to finally lock in again. Let's start with something uncomfortable. We live in an attention war. Every app on your phone is literally designed to keep your brain chasing tiny hits of dopamine, the same chemical that gets released when you win, laugh, or even eat something good. So when you try to sit and study for an hour, your brain's like, "Bro, this is boring. Let's go find something more exciting." That's not laziness. That's your brain reacting exactly how it was trained. The more you switch between apps, the harder it becomes to stay in one place mentally. You're not unfocused. You're just overstimulated. So before you beat yourself up for not grinding 10 hours straight, realize this. Your focus is being stolen, not lost. Procrastination isn't just about being lazy either. It's a form of avoidance. You're not avoiding the task. You're avoiding the feeling that comes with the task, like that fear of failing a test, or that pressure to be perfect, or maybe that guilt that you've wasted time already. So you tell yourself, I'll start later. But later never comes, because the emotion never goes away. Psychologists call this emotional avoidance. And the only way out is through awareness. Next time you catch yourself procrastinating, don't ask, what's wrong with me? Ask, what am I trying not to feel right now? That's when focus starts. Not when you force yourself to sit down, but when you stop running from what's underneath. All right, let's get practical. Here's how you retrain your brain to focus again. Step 1. Rewire the start. Don't tell yourself, I have to finish this. Just say, I'll start for 10 minutes. That 10-minute rule lowers the resistance. Once you start, momentum takes over. Your brain rewards starting, not thinking about it. Step 2. Create a no dopamine zone. Before you study or work, remove anything that gives instant pleasure. Your phone, notifications, music with lyrics, all of it. For the first 20 minutes, your brain will beg you to check something. Ignore it. That's withdrawal. But once it calms down, you'll enter what psychologists call flow, pure focus. Step 3. Reward yourself the smart way. Don't rely on guilt. Rely on balance. When you finish a deep work session, reward your brain. Take a walk, watch something funny, eat something you love. That positive reinforcement teaches your brain that focus feels good, not painful. Look, you're not lazy. You're just tired of fighting your own brain. You've been comparing yourself to the highlight reels of perfect people online, but nobody's showing you their 2 a.m. burnout or their 5th coffee of the day. Focus isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with your mind, not against it. So tonight, don't try to be perfect. Just try to start. Turn off the noise. Breathe. Set one small goal. And when your brain tries to run, remind yourself, you're not lazy, you're just rewiring. If this video helped you realize it's not all your fault, hit that subscribe button, because here we don't chase perfection. We chase progress. Lock in, level up, think deeper. This is LockTheory, and your focus starts now.